This video shows how to install the new height adjustment system on the lower arm of the European Mechammer. These are the parts that come in a recycled cardboard box. The box contains a rack and pinion, a handle, 2 washers, a push ring, and a nut. Here you see the default setting of the lower arm. When the lower arm is in the default setting, the gap between the cylinder and the tool holder must be 16 to 17 mm. Tighten the lower arm, then unscrew the grub screw that holds the ring and lower the ring 58 mm. As said, the distance should be 58 mm. After lowering the arm, you take out the handle and the lower bolt. Take the rack and slide it behind the top bolt and put the slot that is in the rack around the ring. This shows the correct position. Mount the original black handle and the push ring that holds the rack against the column. The push ring in the correct position. Next you take the handle and push one of the washers on the shaft till you hit the fence. You can see that there is a flat spot on the handle. This fits the D-hole in the gear. This way it turns with the handle. When the handle is mounted, it needs to sit in an angle of 45 degrees. Then you put on the second washer and the nut. Don't tighten it too strong. Turn the black handle to clamp the arm to a point that the arm still rotates free. Take a bit of play out the handle by tightening the nut, but be sure the arm still rotates. Now the system works by turning the handle counter clockwise to go up. All the way up is an end stop, then lock the arm with the black handle, which takes the arm's position to default for normal use. To check if you did the setup correct, you can measure if the gap between the cylinder and tool holder is 16 to 17 mm. If you want the black handle in another position, just pull it out, then turn it and let go. Put some grease on the system for a smoother ride.